another thing. This is why this car is better than any another one. Press the button and you get in. So. Yeah, I got a little fella in there. It was super hard to reach for him. Come on. Some shit. And I got a new one. Come on, I'm trying to do it with one hand. So, 2.1, 2.1 and 3.0. Yeah, when I'm trying to actually charge my two phones and stuff, I think this is going to be better. That's a quick charge. Plus it's more out. Yeah, I cannot close it anymore, but that's alright. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the link in the description for everything what I'm actually adding to this car. There's a link in the description. Okay?